Your vagina has a tube-like form. The skin folds at the opening of your vagina to run from your cervix to your labia. Anywhere throughout the vagina and around the opening may cause itching or irritation in the vagina. Itching or irritation of the vagina is fairly frequent and is not treated. It usually disappears on its own. 1. Itchy vaginal lips. The vulva, or external genitalia, includes the lips around the vagina, labia. There are various causes for itching vaginal lips. Depending on the reason, it may be ongoing or sporadic. Irritation from bath soaps, scented feminine hygiene products, and friction, rubbing, against pads or synthetic textiles are major causes of itchy vaginal lips. If so, the itching should stop after your vaginal lips are shielded from them, but it can come back if you use them again. 2. Itchy cervix. If you experience itching at the top of your vagina, close to your cervix, you may have cervicitis, an inflammation of the vaginal wall. 3. Vaginal burning. Vaginal burning or itching can be intermittent or persistent, depending on the underlying cause. If latex condoms, tampons, or douches are the source of the burning, for instance, the sensation should subside once the culprit is eliminated. However, until the infection is treated, if the burning sensation is brought on by an infection, like a yeast infection, for example, it will persist or worsen. 4. Vulva redness and burning. If an infection is the culprit, the burning and redness in the vagina may be intermittent or persistent. In addition, there's vulvodynia, which is an inexplicable form of pain in the vulvar region. 5. Vaginal itching and white discharge. When you stop using items like soaps, douches, and other hygiene products, the occasional vaginal irritation and white discharge will stop as well. However, if the sensation persists and doesn't go away, or if the white discharge intensifies or begins to smell, an infection may be the cause.